Naguna-unahan ng taga-LGU. Iguto na mo. Gamay na rin ako. Usa na ka oras. Ito nga. Ginaw. Akong magkaon sa atong langit ng amahan, atong patron, na Senyor San Jose. Members of the Tourism, Culture and Arts and Heritage Council, my fellow municipal officials, barangay officials, district supervisors, school heads, teachers and staff from Department of Education, LGU department heads and employees, officers in charge and representatives from national agency, civil society organization, fellow public servants, mga bisita, mga seafood lovers, kaninjong tanan, maadong gabi ng tanan. Hinay lagi. Kaya naman na, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Asila nagula na. Amuntay role model. Today, we celebrate our town existing as a municipality. This is the time to reflect on the past, to remember our forefathers, and to revisit ideas that lead to the formation of our beloved town. Remembering the past and the origin of our history is a worthwhile task in order to renew and embrace our culture, heritage, tradition, resources, and its people. It gives us a sense of pride and awareness of what we are. This occasion is to remember of our glorious past, for it brings to mind the rich culture, beauty, potential, and wonder of our beloved town. The municipal government of Matalom recognizes an important role of culture and art in preserving and shaping the town's history and culture. The steadfast development of municipality into the flourishing local government until today influence the culture, heritage, its history, artistry, and ingenuity of its people. For the kick-off of 5-day celebration, nagpahigayon tanganing Seafood Festival, we are gathered here today as one family. Dining together, mga unta sa kalain-laing pagkaon gikan sa dagat. So remember, kung itong mga allergy atau problema, rescue is over there. Duha ka doktora, pag itong kadaan mo o anti-allergy. The launching of Seafood Festival aims to promote seafood tourism industry. Matalom is not popularly known as Canigo Island, but also take pride of its rich marine life and seafoods. Fresh seafood. Abundanta sa mga seafoods. Presko isda, pasaya, nukos, lambay, kalain-laing klaseng kinasong, tujong, suwaki, uguban pa, maubitaw ni doon sa dagat, daghan kaadong bata. So, like barangay sa Tape, the most populated barangay of Kitay Matalom. Tungod na sa mga tujong. Di ba? Kita ang mga suppliers sa mga merkado o sa makanan sa silingang ubang lugar. Kauban usab nato ang nailang kaanan sa restaurant serving precious seafood as the main dish. Uban sila nato sugod karong adlaw until November 18. Salamat sa tanan nga nakakaroon din labi na sa mga restaurant. So one way of promoting our tourism. So in this team, panaghugpong o panagtimbangay tulay sa pagkabot sa gitinguhang kalambuan o kauswagan ng akong yutang na tawhan. Reflect our focus on achieving our desire of sustainable development for better Matalom with, of course, about cooperation and people support. The preservation and enrichment of our cultural heritage can be achieved through the collaborative efforts of all stakeholders. I believe we are involving seafood tourism industry, where strong leadership and partnership is visible, where everyone takes full responsibility responsibility in his or her part and share in the vision of becoming tourist attraction and the aging of economic growth of Matalom. The municipality of Matalom has a lot to thank for. I mean, I'm able to mention Tanan with the overwhelming support and impressive outcome and of attendance and of participants. I hope this celebration will become an affair to remember and the history of our beloved municipality of Matalom. On behalf of the municipality, on behalf of Matalom and Matalom Founding Day celebration, Seafood Festival is now formally open. Let's enjoy. And maganda mong anti-allergy. Daghang salamat.